You're watching the news summary on Jio.tv. I'm Sharbana Javeri. Addressing a two-day Pak Indian Economic Conference being held in Lahore under the joint initiative of the Jung Group and Times of India, Prime Minister Gilani says both India and Pakistan are making efforts to boost trade, but non-state actors present in both countries are determined to spoil relations. Prime Minister Gilani added that improved relations with India is one of Pakistan's cherished goals and that the two countries are committed to normalize relations as poverty and disease should not be the fate of citizens of two democracies. Praising the Jung Group and Times of India for their effort to bring together business communities of the two countries, Gilani added that people in this gathering were the best ambassadors of peace. Trade Secretary Zafar Mahmood says the Pakistani cabinet has decided to eliminate the negative trade list with India by December 31st. He said this while discussing the framework of bilateral trade between Pakistan and India at the economic conference being held in Lahore. Foreign Minister Hina Rabbani Khar says there is no information regarding the presence of Al-Qaeda chief Ayman al-Zawahiri in Pakistan, and if there was intelligence on his whereabouts, it should be shared. Responding to US Foreign Minister Hillary Clinton's statement that Zawahiri is in Pakistan, FM Khar added that Al-Qaeda was a mutual enemy of Pakistan and the United States. The government of India has opposed granting permission to Dr. Khalil Chishti to travel to Pakistan as they fear he may not return back to India. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court says Chishti's matter should be considered a special case and urged the government to be optimistic, adding that Chishti should not be treated differently just because he hails from Pakistan.